Guys, kahit wala kayong experience sa BPO pero meron kayong background ng insurance, medical, or healthcare, subukan nyo pa din mag-apply ha. Although, just a heads up, parang sa sobrang dami na nung nag-apply, medyo matatagalan kami ng pagre-review. Anyway, pooling pa lang naman siya. And ito naman talaga yung sinasabi ko matagal na kahit na alam nyo nag-apply na kayo sa isa, dapat tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung application ninyo because baka matagalan yung client matching. However, if you are interested, rate could go up to $7 an hour. If client requires, then we would also provide a MacBook. Pero kailangan may sarili pa rin kayong equipment para makapag-start kayo mag-apply. It might sound like a cliche, but the goal of this agency, that's why I agreed to parang join this and create this for them, is to change the way that Filipinos view VA agency. May nakita pa akong comment talaga dun sa previous video ko, hanapin nyo na lang doon. Magkano makukuha ng VA girl? I'm telling you. Yun yung isa sa mga bagay na tinignan ko talaga, and hindi kayo lugi, hindi masama ang ugali ng may-ari, hindi sila madamo. Basta masipag ka, maayos kang katrabaho, aalagaan mo yung kliyente, willing silang mag-invest sa'yo. As a matter of fact, they are meeting the Pioneer Batch for a face-to-face orientation and training this coming week. Hindi ko alam kung makakahabol pa yung mga mag-a-apply, but if you guys are interested to join or just, test the waters just to see if this is something na for you, punta lang kayo sa, eto na yung sinasabi ko, kailangan marunong sumunod sa instruction ha. Pumunta sa Blue App, mag-comment doon ng insurance. Pagkatapos, dapat automatically the page will send you yung link kung paano mag-apply. Pag hindi nag-send after 5 minutes, balik ka lang ulit doon sa Blue. Try mo kahit saan post doon, mag-comment ka ng insurance. Intayin mo lang for 5 to 10 minutes. Pag hindi pa rin nag-send ng link after commenting, screenshot mo, isend mo dun sa page, tapos yung admins are nag-check naman sila. So, re-replyan ka nila, isasend nila sa iyo yung link. Just to be sure, balik ka dito sa TikTok, magsabi ka ng insurance virtual assistant para pag nakita nila na nag-comment ka dito, babalik. May mga ganon. We're trying our best to make it as easy as possible for everyone. However, if hindi marunong sumunod sa instruction, na elbow na kagad kasi sobrang dami nang nagme-message. If hindi ka willing na mag-provide ng voice introduction na lang bakla, kinatamaran pa. Pag walang sipag manggawa ng voice introduction, wag na kayo mag-apply. Yun lang naman yung requirement so far. I hope nasagot ko yung pinakamaraming question dito, but let me know if may questions pa kayo. Again, we are hiring insurance, medical, and healthcare virtual assistant. Could be up to $7 an hour. Depende sa client, baka MacBook will be provided. May other benefits pa pero ayokong i-discuss kasi yung iba nag-a-apply na lang sila just because. Alam mo yon, gusto ko munang makita yung determination ng tao before natin ibigay ko ano pa yung mga perks and all that. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!